Hip thrust. Lie down on the ground with your knees bent and feet firmly planted on the floor. Abdominals engaged, press your heels into the floor and drive your hips up. Pause at the top, making sure to squeeze your glutes, then return back to the starting position in a controlled motion. Keep your back straight and chin tucked to chest. Don't overarch the lower back by overextending the hips to the ceiling. Hip thrust, 30 seconds. Knee plank. Start face down on a mat in a knee push-up position and cross the ankles over each other. Keep your abdominals tight to support the lower back and your head in line with the spine by looking straight down at your hands. Continue holding. Knee plank, 30 seconds. Reverse lunge. Stand with your feet hip distance apart. Step your right leg back and lower to the ground until your front knee reaches 90 degrees, with your back knee close to the ground but not touching. Return to the standing position by putting weight into your left heel while contracting the glute. Repeat on the other leg and alternate. Reverse lunge, 30 seconds. Alley shuffles. Start in a standing position. You'll cross one leg over the other and run from side to side. Cross the right leg over the left and step the left leg out, then cross the right leg behind the left and step the left leg out. Switch direction and continue through the other side. Be careful not to trip over. Alley shuffles, 30 seconds. Supine ab curls. Lie on your back with your feet flat on the floor and knees bent. Tuck your pelvis so that your lower back is flat on the mat. Keep your spine straight and lift your feet off the floor so that your legs are at a 90-degree angle in the air with your knees above the hips. Peel your head, neck and chest off the floor, crunching in your abs to look between your knees. Lower down and repeat. Supine ab curls, 30 seconds. Standing side bends. Stand with your feet hip distance apart and your knees slightly bent. Place the right hand by your side, palm touching the outside of your thigh. Begin to inch the hand down your leg so that you feel a nice stretching on the left side rib cage and a crunching in the right rib cage. Continue for 15 seconds on one side and repeat on the other side. Standing side bends, 30 seconds.